Hello again, this is my model railway news update. Another Heljan update. This time it's the Class 86 locomotive. They have finalised liveries for its upcoming 00 gauge Class 86/2 model. Decorated samples will be coming soon, so keep an eye on this channel for when they break cover. But for now we have some renderings of 4 new livery options, which includes a new parcels liveried model. The Class 86/2 derived from 100 Class 86 locomotives built by English Electric from 1965 to 66, featured upgraded bogies for higher speeds. The new model, based on Heljan's earlier Class 86-0 and 86-4, supports variations with and without high-intensity headlights and TDM cables, 2 pantograph styles, directional and cab lighting, and a 21-pin DCC socket with sound provision. The parcels sector red-grey, that's a late 1980s livery, is on 86-241, named Glenfiddich, and it joins the previously announced liveries including BR Blue, Intercity, Virgin Trains, EWS, Colas Rail Freight, and Anglian Railways. All are priced at £254.95 for DCC ready, which I feel is quite a high price, but if this appeals to you, then these models are set for delivery in Q2 2026. Footplate and Dapol announced an exclusive O-gauge Hawthorn Leslie 040 saddle tank model at the Gildex exhibition, marking its first ready-to-run release in this scale. The model, built on Dapol's O-gauge B4 chassis, attracted significant interest for its detailed design. These compact steam locomotives, built by R&W Hawthorn Leslie, were widely used in industrial settings like collieries and docks, with preserved examples still popular today. The model features a die-cast chassis, sprung axle boxes, a 5-pole motor with flywheel, options for sprung or dumb buffers, working firebox glow, 3-link couplings, and a 21-pin DCC decoder socket. Multiple cab and chimney variants cater for specific prototypes, and there'll be 9 different liveries, which are all planned in the first run. Available in DCC ready, DCC fitted, and DCC sound fitted versions, the model is sold exclusively through Footplate, with delivery expected in late 2026. Pre-orders are open, with prices starting at around 250 RRP, though specific pricing per configuration is unconfirmed at the moment. Now Rapido, they are definitely giving Scale a run for their money in terms of newsworthiness announcements. Here's some more exciting news from them, starting with yet another new Scottish steam locomotive. This is the new LNER D4 440 model range in 00 scale, representing the Great North of Scotland Railways Class V and F locomotives. The range captures the essence of these iconic engines, with detailed tooling variations for both saturated boiler F-class and superheated V-class, available in liveries spanning pre-grouping, LNER and British Railways. Plus there'll be a special model of Gordon Highlander in GNSR green, more on that in a minute. All models feature an array of authentic details, including varied chimneys, whistles, tender coal rails, smoke boxes, and cosmetic inside valve gear. And they also come with a detail and pack for customization that includes lamps, steam heating pipes, and tablet catches. Designed for performance and realism, these models boast a smooth-running mechanism, factory-installed speakers, and an ESU 21-pin decoder socket paired with a Mo-Power stay-alive capacitor. It also has tender pickups and dynamic firebox flicker effect. Currently in the tooling stage, this range promises to be a must-have for model railway collectors seeking to celebrate the legacy of the D40 locomotives. The project reflects Rapido's commitment to precision, offering a variety of detailed options such as different lubricators, washout plugs, and lamp iron positions, ensuring each model is unique. The order book is open, and you can pre-order your models directly from the Rapido website or from their authorised retailers. So I mentioned about Gordon Highlander. The Scottish Railway Preservation Society will be offering this as an exclusive museum condition livery of the F-Class number 49. This one depicts the locomotive as it appears today in its preserved state and includes distinctive features such as etched headboards, a custom decorated box, and a booklet chronicling the locomotive's rich history. This one is available only through the SRPS shop, so head on over there to reserve your model now. Not only that, there will be 5 specials from Rails of Sheffield too. This is the SECR G-Class 440 model range, celebrating the South Eastern and Chatham Railway's distinctive locomotives. The range covers all 5 G-Class locomotives, with detailing tooling variations to reflect their unique features. The G-Class worked Margate and Dover semi-fast expresses, local Kent passenger services, and Sheerness summer services from their Gillingham base. So for these ones, head on over to Rail's website to get your hands on them. They have also revealed this Southern Railways U-Class 260 locomotive, focusing on the 30 examples from 1928 to 1931. The U-Class was developed as a reliable mixed traffic locomotive following the 1927 Sevenoaks accident, which led to the rebuilding of 20 K-Class river tank engines into U-Class tender locomotives. This new model range will depict these new builds in Southern Railways and British Railways liveries, capturing their service across southern England until 1966. The models feature a variety of detailing variations to reflect historical accuracy, including flush or riveted buffer beams, flat or rounded domes, different cylinder designs, and smoke deflectors on all but the earliest version. All models are equipped with 4,000-gallon tenders with inward sloping raves and 2 BR liveried models including AWS gear. Additional features include a smooth running mechanism, factory installed speakers, NEM coupler pockets, an ESU 21-pin decoder socket, and a MoPower Stay Alive capacitor. It also has tender pickups and a dynamic firebox flicker effect on DCC sound-fitted versions. Currently at the tooling stage, engineering prototypes are expected in early 2026, with pre-orders now open through Rapido's official retailers. But that's not all from Rapido, as they also updated on their Evolution coaches. This is batch 3 of their 48-foot so-called Evolution bogie coaches that come in some new livery options. The range of generic 48-foot bogie coaches each come detailed with an array of key features typical of their pre-grouping era. They have arc, elliptical and celestial roof designs included in the range, and the roofs are easily removable so that you can fit figures into your coaches should you wish. And check out the details inside the coaches, absolutely incredible, even down to posters being replicated. One of the ones I particularly like is the camping coach, and there'll also be an exclusive Kent and East Sussex Railway livery Evolution 2 coach set, which are being produced as a fundraiser, with all the proceeds going towards the upkeep of Peckett 1631 Marcia. This fundraising twin pack is available exclusively from the Rapido website, but all the other coaches in the range will also be available from authorised retailers. You can pre-order from batch 3 now. And what about batch 1? Well, we've been given some photos of decorated samples of some of the liveries in this batch, and it's really showing the awesome quality of finish on these coaches. Perhaps standards defining, I think. Certainly world class. They should be in stock soon, so perhaps not long to wait now. Okay, let's move on. This isn't just a Rapido show. Robo is my current favourite Polish model railway manufacturer, and so it was great to hear of some new coaches from them. On screen now is a render of their HO scale model of the iconic ribbed Ryflak type 102AA coaches used on local routes in northern Poland during the post-war era, and it features authentic PKP livery and detailed specific to the Gdynia railway district. Also being planned is a 3-car set. Similar coaches, but this time type 101A, which is a second class. This set represents coaches that served on regional routes in central Poland, particularly in the Poznan railway district, also presented in classic green PKP livery. Great to see their range expanding. KMRC have added another Pico model to the range of exclusives. This time in N scale, the 7-plank open wagon features a scale 9-foot wheelbase and special TH Carter lettering. Priced at $21.99, it's available now from the KMRC website. Also in N-Scale, Graham Farish has announced new N-Scale models of the Great Western Railway Hall and Modified Hall locomotives. These models feature high-fidelity details including injection-moulded body shells, die-cast metal running plates, and separately applied components like handrails and steam pipes. All models come with a speaker fitted, and with the DCC sound-fitted versions coming with a Zimo sound decoder using recordings from real locomotives for authentic audio. The range includes a new Hawksworth tender alongside the existing Collett 4,000-gallon tender, both interchangeable with their models of the Castle class in N-scale, mirroring real-world practice. Priced at $189.95 and rising to $299.95 for sound-fitted, all 4 versions are due for release in early 2026. Pre-orders are now open through Bachmann retailers. Herpa released some new model vehicles with quite a few new options, but none of these being brand new models, so just livery changes here, but they are certainly massively expanding their range every month, so it's hard to keep up if you're collecting these little vehicles. These are all in HO scale. We also saw the latest release from Dapol being led by the Stanier 57-foot non-corridor coaches in 00 scale. Having been in the range since 1985, being Airfix tooling originally, these have been updated this year with metal wheels, improved detailing and NEM couplings. Joining the coaches is the ever-popular cattle wagon in either Great Western Railway or BR liveries and offering either clean or weathered. Features here include improved wood grain effect on the bodies, metal wheels and a crisper livery application. And that's true of their 8-plank wagon as well, which is another firm favourite that has had a modern refresh. Only in Southern Railways livery, they are good value for money though at under £15. Anyway, that's the video folks, thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be more coming soon, so subscribe to keep yourself up to date and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny worlds, choo choo.